Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm at the gym and I have been thinking about like a new video to do, and I was like, why not do a flexibility video? Currently I'm taking pole classes and stuff, and I got a new pole. I'm gonna do a new video about that soon. And tell y'all about my old pole and the new pole that I got and the struggle of putting it up. But anyways, I've been getting some requests about how I am getting more flexible. Currently I'm taking flexibility classes, which is so dope, it's so fun. And before that, I used to do like little small stretches that would help me get more nimble. And I know you guys have been asking more and more about what I do and how I started off. So I'm going to show you today what I usually do to get you started with being flexible. Well, before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It really helps me out a lot, and if I helped you get more flexible, go ahead and comment and let me know. It helps out. And I like to know if I help you, so that works too. Let's go ahead and get into the video because I feel kind of weird talking to a video at the gym and I don't want to get in trouble. Let's do it. was pretty much the beginning yoga exercises that I did, especially during Corona when I was bored and I wanted to get fit. So go ahead and try these stretches out. If you love them, if you want more, let me know and I'll make a part 2 of this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe. If you haven't already, why haven't you? You might as well do it. You're already here. Duh. And you can see more of this face if you want to. You know what? I know you want to. So go ahead and subscribe, girl or boy. Or non-binary. Or you know what I mean. But anyways, guys, love you. Thank you for tuning in. Coming up with more videos, a little bit longer videos for you guys. This is just a quick little video I wanted to do for you. And yeah, I love you guys, and let me know what more you want to see. I'll be putting up vlogs. Sorry, I just did like a 2-mile run, so I'm out of breath while trying to do this, but I feel amazing. Fitness is life. If you haven't got into it, get up and do something. Even if it's just 5 minutes, 5 seconds, at least you got up and done it, you know? Let me know. I'm proud of you for doing something, and I'm proud of you for even trying to attempt to do something. That is accomplishment, whether you think so or not. And yeah, love you guys. See you soon with new videos. Peace.